Queensland here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a wafme.
Where?
Lyrebird for the wifey. I think it was.
We're in Minnamurra Rainforest.
Here we go. This well, there's a wafme shop for the wifey. Can we get in here? Yeah, here we go.
There are people out here.
Nice and quiet. School holidays, there's probably be bloody shopping.
Oh, beautiful.
Wifey can hear water running. Ready for the wifey. Oh, wifey up there. There's already a wifey.
Yeah. I love it, dear. There's a small waterfall up there, but we are walking to a big waterfall. Oh, jeez. Now we're walking up, 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 up. This is a challenge.
Wifey's working hard.
Yep,
Push there.
I'm
Push that
pushing.
stuff.
See, there's them with their pram. We can hear the waterfalls, the waterfalls, the waterfalls.
I can hear a padded cell coming through the big net.
Oh, look at that! We're
You
in.
have to duck.
No, I don't need to.
Lucky one.
Dara would have to duck. Not me.
Up there, dear, to your right.
Oh, look. There is a small, what is it? Waterfalls.
Too small to see in
Too small to see.
pretty one.
And here we are. Oh, we can sit down here.
Ah, lovely.
Oh, great. Yay.
Look at the size of that.